two achievement. This I can tell. This is the magazine, okay, published in my company. This is another submission with the entire DevOps teams.
Mm-hmm.
This is the
Yes, we
second
are.
one. This is the last one. This topic is on algo trading. So you might be knowing that B10x is another part with Spring Pad. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
I joined that program as well. The performance based is one bonus, yearly bonus also. This is highest I got. Last 2 years I didn't get anything. Okay, thank you so much giving me opportunity in this meeting session. I'm very proud of attending this B10x session, and which is going on since last 3 to 4 months. And the classes are amazing, really. And it is not amazing, but the knowledge and the practical, all the things it is being shown are fantastic. And by applying all these things, now I have improved a lot in both my professional as a personal life. The performance based is one bonus, yearly bonus also. This is highest I got. Last 2 years I didn't get anything. So two achievement. This I can tell. This is the magazine, okay, published in my company.
Mm-hmm.
And let me show you the photo. Whatever the innovation I gave, all the submissions.
Mm-hmm.
This is my first one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Oh,
the
this is
white
very
shirt.
nice. Mm-hmm.
White shirt wala, thank you. And next one. This is another submission with the entire DevOps teams.
Mm-hmm.
This is the
Yes, we
second
are
one.
you're the third one. Yes.
This is the last one. This topic is on algo trading. So you might be knowing that B10x is another part with Spring Pad. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
I joined that program as well, and
Mm-hmm.
by combinedly, I just came to know, find out another idea from the Spring Pad session as well, and combining from B10x as well as that Spring Pad, I came out of this idea and published here.
Amazing,
So
amazing. 6 times you have been posted in one
yeah,
single
this is
magazine. This is amazing.
yeah.
How did you get to hear about us?
Yeah, hear about this about in YouTube में one advertisement it comes generally. 9 rupees per session from that only, and I am searching from some AI related courses and classes, and because the Kachave and Goenka were from the IIT, so a lot of people are from IIT. I heard of that. And I thought of let's join that one. And the first webinar I joined at 9 rupees, and that was amazing. And that didn't stop. The journey started from there and didn't stop. And now it is continuous. Still, I am attending all the Q&A and all the session and even print part everything.
You have been able to file 6 patents this year. You've
Mm.
also been able to get a very high, did you mention appraisal?
But, yeah, not appraisal. That is called as APDP or appraisal bonus.
Ah, okay, that's
Huh.
nice. That's nice. How long did it take you to start from to start with our program to getting these results in your professional work?
I joined from February.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, February, March, April. This program started around April. Almost 3 months it took.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's
Yeah.
nice. Within 3 months, you were able to get so much result.
Yeah.
That's amazing. That's amazing.
Amazing, yeah.
Utpal, would you like to say, what would you like to say to people? What would you like to share about? What was the moment when it clicked in your head? Okay, I can use this. What was the moment, if you remember anything like that?
The tax filing and all.
Mm-hmm.
Which tax regime to go, old new tax regime. All these things are very much helpful with this AI tools. Similarly, we can find a lot of idea in whatever the problem you are facing in daily life.
What would you like to say to people who are thinking about joining our course?
Yeah, they should definitely go ahead and join the course. Don't think about that.
Okay, Utpal, is there anything else that you would like to add to people who are listening to you right now?
After joining the course, the mindset, thought process changed. So I am also, I can tell, I am also professional guest player. Okay. So I after joining the course, I became the winner in this company as a corporate level chess player.
Oh, that's
So
that's
that
amazing.
is, for that I can say I didn't took that much help from the any AI tool, but the thought process, whatever I learned, the thought process improved a bit.
That's amazing. That's very nice to
Uh,
hear, Utpal. Utpal, I think I would like to ask you one more thing. You mentioned
mm,
that your mindset has undergone a change. What I want
mm,
to ask is all of us have heard a lot of things about AI. AI will take away our jobs, AI will do this, AI will replace us. What
mm.
did you feel before joining B10X, and what do you feel about AI today? Do you feel more positive? Do you feel you can learn AI and leverage it? What were your feelings before, and what are your feelings after?
After I'm feeling more confident because it is changing the thing. It is not like AI will take the job. Here we have to improve our knowledge, like AI or whatever will come in the future. Then there is no fear of losing any job. Yeah, we have
True.
to upgrade it.
True, Utpal, that was amazing. That was amazing to hear from you. I wish you all
Mhm.
the very best, Utpal, for your future, and I do hope you keep on rocking. Utpal, what are your future plans? Are you going to continue learning things? Are you going to, what are your plans?
Your learning thing definitely will continue. There is up to because there is low limit of learning. Even end of the my last day of my my life, I'll go ahead and keep on learning. There is no limit of learning. Okay, and along with that, I'll also implement or apply whatever I learn. Yeah.
This is amazing, Utpal. You've been very inspiring. Thank you for being with us, and I wish you all the very best.